Okay, so basically the scavenger hunt. The question is, the task, solving the problem, can you use 2.0 in your professional life? So what we needed to do is give you kind of an overview of what all the best 2.0 at your fingertips, what it all is and what it all looks like. You'll get like really specific details, and I think we're going to try and do logo links later, and like exactly how many points for what activity and that kind of thing. You'll get that all later. But this is kind of a general overview. The basic idea is you're going to choose your own adventure using the scavenger activity sheet with your personal context of what you're doing in your professional life as your goal, like your end goal, figuring out how to use it for that. First, we'll let you see some of the online communities that we want you to wonder about, that you might possibly be able to use in your work, be it in your job, in your school, in your career, in your next career, just generally in your professional life. And after you've explored a little, we hope you'll contribute a little, and that could be your research that you're contributing to a community. Once you've figured out what's going on here in the 2.0, then we want you to take a stand on the issue and publish what you find using 2.0 environments. Maybe you'll podcast, or maybe you'll publish photos, or maybe you're going to work on a blog. We hope you'll pick something that you think will be useful for you to learn for your field, and will totally help you in whatever it is that you're looking for. And when that's done, we'll kind of have an idea of how everybody stands on it. Maybe you're going to talk about what the best possible one is. Maybe you're going to talk about how there's just no way this could possibly happen in your work. Whatever, we want you to take a stand on the issue. Quick overview. First of all, social bookmarking sites. We decided to go with Delicious, and on Delicious I've posted EDER 67909 and Hunt, and so this is where some different sites that kind of came to me, Podcast Alley, Newsgator is one that I'm using as an aggregator, and eLearn, feature articles, and it also links to a bunch of other things that we've been kind of researching and looking at. So that's where that all is. We've got Delicious doing that and sharing all of this stuff. We've also, like, the other social bookmarking thing that you want to do is RSS sites, and that's called Really Simple Syndication. So they're not sites, they're feeds. So to get a feed, what you need to do is you need to get an aggregator, and you can get an aggregator quickly. It's a matter of logging in, but you have to kind of pick one that works with your hardware, and then you can just copy and paste your feeds in there. Actually, you know what? There's a little site here. It just tells you where exactly are the news aggregators that you could get, and then exactly how you copy the link and how do you move it there. So that's those two. We have publication software, obviously the wiki you've already seen and you've already worked on, and then we've also chosen Blogger, which is a pretty fabulous site, easy as 1, 2, 3. People just seem to love it. We also have picked some image and video hosting communities like YouTube, which is another one people really, really like, and Flickr. And one thing I wanted to show you on Flickr was this exploring thing here. I was just, if I was going to Brazil, I could click on one of these and it would show me a picture of something happening in Brazil, like taken from Brazil. And I find that to be kind of interesting because I'm going to Brazil. So a little off topic, but not really. Also, podcasting. We went with Omeo, and here's somebody talking.
Stroke, right?
She's giving her ideas, whatever. And then collaborative presentations, which is something that we've already shown you, basically. You got your multiple people talking about these different presentations. And finally, one that I think is really, really neat, the community recommendation browser plugin. It's over here. Stumble upon. So the community, there's all these web pages, etc., etc., and the community helps you to say, these ones are going to be good, you're going to like this, you're not going to like that. And you help by giving it thumbs up or thumbs down. And basically you get to kind of stumble
Get
upon
started.
all of
Download it.
these different fantastic websites. So let's see if I've basically got everything here. VoiceThread, Slice of Mind, oh yeah, Odeo, Facebook, RSS feeds, Delicious, that's VoiceThread again, YouTube, Blogger, StumbleUpon, Flickr, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10 is PBWiki, which you're already using. So we are going to get on this today, and it is going to be a lot of fun. Okay.